I don't mind working from home, but I do miss talking with some people in person.
Yeah, I don't think we need to work with everyone together in the same place, right? But it's nice to have a quick chat over coffee at the office sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do feel I'm not learning people skills.
Oh, yeah, you mean how to talk to people at work?
Yeah, I'm still a new grad and I think I need more training. Do you think I should ask Kyota?
No, he's the last person you want to talk to about any training.
I'm the first person you should talk to about any training. What took you so long?
Well,
There's nothing to worry about anymore because your life will change today.
I just want to learn how to speak to people.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
No?
To be a people person, learn from a people person. And you're lucky, Michelle, because I am a people person.
Yumi told me that real people persons don't call themselves real people persons.
That's true. That is true. But I am an exception. Michelle, you're not very responsive today. So just remember, give, thank, pray. Do you feel like a new person now?
No.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Now do you feel like a new person?
No?
What else works? Do yoga, eat vegetables, meditate. What else does the internet say?